their FTL drives. They're getting ready to jump. Don't anyone look out of the window right now, please. Starbuck Apollo. Target's FTL's history. She's all yours.
Roger that, Apollo. Red Wing initiating attack right
Sir, I just received an emergency transponder from the Blackbird. It's the auto distress beacon.
Alert the search and rescue Raptor. See if he had time to eject.
Attention on Pegasus. Prepare to launch attack squadrons.
Copy to Galactica.
Aye, sir.
Attention on Galactica. Prepare to launch attack squadron.
Starbuck, Pegasus, resurrection ship 12 low at 15.
Watch your intervals.
Take your posts.
Mr. Gator,
Sir.
order batteries Alpha through Echo to switch to salvo fire.
Set secondary battery. Full attack mode. Fire at will.
Apollo Galactica, do you read? Apollo Galactica, do you read? Can you say your position? Apollo Galactica, do you read? Can you say your position? Apollo Galactica, are you reading? Are you out there? Are you out there?
I'm sorry, Kara.
Captain. Thrace is reporting massive detonations.
The resurrection ship has been destroyed.
They've done it.
Clear!
He's all right. He's a little shaken, but I say again, Apollo is all right.
All the remaining Cylons have jumped away. It's over, sir.
Congratulations, gentlemen.